Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the FL Esports OG87. It's a 10 keyless Tri-mode mechanical keyboard with a retro-inspired design, hence the OG name. It's priced at $100 and only comes in this retro colorway. In the box, there's the user manual that's in 2 languages, the warranty card for the keyboard, a 1.6 meter USB cable, a 2-in-1 switch and keycap puller, 7 extra keycaps, a hard plastic cover, and the keyboard which weighs just over 1.1 kilograms or 2.4 pounds. So the OG87 has a 10 keyless layout in this wider retro case, and it has the OG branding on the top left corner, the indicator lights and Tri-mode toggle switch on the top right, cherry profile dice-up PBT keycaps that matches the retro case, with extra indicator keycaps that look like this, as well as a few Mac OS keycaps and a special rounded edge spacebar. Besides that, the keyboard comes with KL Icemin full palm linear switches which are pre-looped and has a nice RGB diffuser, plate-mounted stabilizers that are looped to reduce the rattle with some extra silicone dampeners at the spacebar, a 5-pin hot swap south-facing flex cut PCB, and a gasket-mounted flex cut polycarbonate plate for a soft typing feel. The side profile looks like this with the cherry profile keycaps, and the typing angle can be increased with the height adjustable feet on the bottom. There is also the storage slot for the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver on the right, and the Type-C connection port located in the middle on the back here. The front of the keyboard is clean with no brandings or logos, and on the bottom there is 5 rubber feet, the 2 height adjustable feet that has 2 configurations, and the details of the keyboard in this sticker in the middle. For the lighting, the keyboard features per key RGB that's bright and saturated and offers plenty of effects to choose from, which I'm cycling through. As for the software, the keyboard comes with the FL Esports driver. This software allows you to set different profiles for the keyboard, remap and configure all of the keys and layers with all of the different options available here, configure the RGB lighting modes and effects like the direction, speed and brightness, and even build your own custom effects, import and modify macros or create new ones as well in the macros tab. Moving on to the teardown, the case is held together with clips, so you'll need to pry it open. Here I'm just using a plastic pry tool on all sides of the case. With the case open, the plate and PCB can be lifted and the cables connecting to the daughter board in the middle, the Tri-mode toggle switch on the right, and the antenna here can be disconnected. The plate and PCB is held together with 6 screws, so you'll need to take them out to fully disassemble the whole keyboard. So here is the top case. It houses the indicators with the Tri-mode toggle switch and the clips that hold the case together. In the bottom case, there's a thick piece of sound dampening silicone, the 4000 mAh power battery connected to the daughter board in the middle, the wireless antenna for the keyboard here, the Tri-mode toggle switch on the top right corner, and the mounting points for the gaskets as well. The flex cut plate and PCB does provide a little bit of flex with the switches and keycaps installed. It's also gasket mounted with these silicone sleeves on the sides of the plate, and they are quite bouncy and squishy as you can see. Not only that, it comes with a few mods including a HDS foam at the back of the PCB, and a PET acoustic pad, an IXPE switch pad, and a plate foam sandwich in between the plate and PCB to make the keyboard sound fuller. With those mods in mind, the keyboard provides a solid typing experience with a slight bit of flex. This is thanks to the gasket mount working together with the flex cut plate and PCB, enhancing its overall feel. Typing this script was a smooth experience, and gaming with the 2.4 GHz mode and wired mode was solid too, with no noticeable lag or latency. Plus, it has full NKRO support, which ensures that all key presses register without any issues. Anyways, here is the typing sound test. Please enjoy. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the FL Esports OG87. After using and reviewing the keyboard, I think it's a well-rounded wireless TKL that blends a retro design and thoughtful mods. It definitely has that nostalgic retro vibe which I personally like, but I can see how some might not find it as appealing depending on their preferences. Overall, for the $100 price point, it's a solid choice for anyone who appreciates retro keyboard aesthetics. So if you're interested in the FL Esports OG87, it will be linked in the description below for you. And that does it for this video. Thanks to FL Esports for the keyboard and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.